Most airline passengers spend hours waiting in massive terminals, navigating through crowds of thousands without ever realizing that a completely different world exists on the other side of the runway. I'll take you on a tour of 10 of the most impressive and uniquely designed VIP terminals I've captured on video. In many of these terminals, passengers can drive their cars right up to the aircraft for the ultimate convenience. However, at some airports, this practice is restricted for security reasons. For example, at Teterboro Airport, it's prohibited, likely due to the high volume of aircraft and ground support. So, take a few minutes to explore how each airport operates with its own unique style and atmosphere. You'll dive into a world unknown to most, where VIP terminals offering a level of service and convenience far beyond the experience of commercial travel. Someone can afford their own jet. Others order a charter jet and are ready to pay for comfort. Anywhere from $5,000 to $20,000 or more per flight hour. It's not hard to calculate the cost of a transatlantic journey one way, on average, around $100,000. Crazy, but for some, this is the normal and an essential part of their lifestyle. Maybe in another life, I'll get to experience that kind of comfort.
Stepping silent through the creek, the hounds to lose my scent. I went up a tree and I watched them turn, wondering where I went. I take a rest, I hold my breath, I let it simmer down. I climb too high in my wandering eye, spied the lights of town. He said, don't go downtown tonight, there's trouble on the rise. The bad men in the shadows, oh, they're bound to take your life. But if you mind to ramble still, I'll tell you how to do. Keep your money in your pocket, boy, and the razor in your shoe. There's trouble on the rise. Bad men in the shadows is bound to take your life. But if you mind to ramble still, I'll tell you how to do. Keep your money in your pocket, boy, and a razor in your shoe. Keep your money